coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your noodles, and today I'm doing a Buldak variety. I've done the old curry packaging. This is the new one. It's not that, I mean, it's been around for a little while, but I think the last time I had Buldak curry was maybe about 4 or 5 years ago, so it's been a while. So we're going to do that up today. And I've already got one that's been shucked. I like to have a little bit of something to show you while when I do a mukbang. Yes, there is going to be a mukbang today. So we got the noodle. This is a vegetable sachet. I think there's carrot, leek, a bunch of different things in here. And I'm going to do things just a little different than I usually do for the Buldak varieties. I usually just boil it and then let it do what it do, you know. Oh, that's a little boily. But there's always been this thing with people saying, you're supposed to stir fry. I always do. And not only that, you're supposed to use a half, what is it? 8 spoons of water. That ends up being about a half a cup of water. So I'm gonna get this thing, I got a skillet here. So after I drain it, I'm gonna get that going when I go to drain it and all that, and then yeah. You'll see. I think it'll work better, at least for all people interested. But yeah, how's it going? Big day today. It's 9:30 in the a.m. It rained all day yesterday. It got up to like 65 and it was super humid, nasty, and funk. And hopefully today it doesn't rain so much and it ends up being real nice. That's what I'm shooting for. Because I want to do my 10 miles of walking today. Kind of slack on that. We had my wife's folks were in from out of town. They drove up here all the way from beautiful, sunny most of the time, California. Dang. And yeah, it was a nice visit. I think now might not be a bad time to get that water. So I'm going to take some of that water out. People are always like, really? You're going to use that much? I'm like, yes, it's 8 spoons. 8 times 15 is 120 mils, which is about a half a cup. So that's what it's going to get. I follow the directions. A lot of people just drain it and then put the sauce on and stir it up. But that's not technically what you are supposed to do. So now you know. And the knowing, you gotta have the knowing of a lot of things, kids. You gotta. So there's that. How much time we got left? We got 2 minutes and 23 seconds. So when that hits a minute, I'll turn this on to get that hot in a minute. Yeah. Mimi agrees. Yes. So anyways, yeah. I haven't done a mukbang in a while. It should be an occasion, a memorable one. See what I did? I started her up. It's just like, you put the gas in the tank, you light the match, and yeah. We got, yeah, I'll turn this on now. So right here. Like, what's right there? That's right there. Stir up these noodles a little bit. Get this going. Get ready to head to Mukbang City. People get irritated when I refer to it as mukbang. Generally, vowels are long, so it's not mukbang. It's mukbang. That's just the way it is, mostly from what I've seen in most languages in Southeast Asia. Not a lot of okay, this is going perfect. Don't want to get you going too hardcore. We don't want you to see. Almost there. We got 20 seconds. And then we've got to stir fry it for all of 30 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's that. We're going to drain these. Drop these in. And put it in our sachet of spicy Buldak sauce. Start this time. Okay. See, there's all that liquid. Trying to stir fry it. Okay, there we go. So we get down to 8 seconds. That smells pretty good. I remember this not smelling like curry in the past. Alright. It's really soupy still. And that's going to aggravate people. I'll let a little bit more of the steam work its magic. And pull off that liquid. That's more like stir frying. Yeah, we'll give it a few more seconds. Now, we're going to do my magical plating trick. This is going to be a real trick if I can get this to work. So I'm going to try to take as much of this as I can and get it into here. Why, Ramen? Why are you doing that? Because when I do that, it makes it magic. Because then I can flip it over onto the plate, and then it does its thing. More centered. Good darn. It's hot. It's really hot. I gotta email the Samyang people. They said something about sending some new samples sometime soon, and that was a little while ago, so maybe it's about time to go, hey, you got them new samples yet? So since this is a mukbang, I'm not gonna do it on the cooking show. I'm not gonna taste it until it's time to eat it all. How can you garnish it and not taste it fairly? It's like, yeah, I can. Ah, crikey. You should see what it did to the... You should look at the amazing mess I just made. Okay, kids, don't lick the sink. Don't lick the counter. I don't want to throw that away. I think the way I end up doing it kind of makes it look a little bit more like nasi lemak or something like that. If you're not familiar, find yourself a wonderful Indonesian restaurant and experience nasi lemak. Hey! Hi, Egg. Oh, yeah, okay, whatever. I'm gonna lay the chicken on here. I'm not gonna eat all this chicken though. It's a lot of chicken. Chicken a lot. Chicken handling. Yeah. And we've got some spring onion. And finally, a touch of the old seed. And there is our Buldak curry massive mega-splode Wonderfest for you with some sounds like Irish music. That makes sense, doesn't it? Ooh, and that burner's still hot. But if you go to my channel, The Ramen, and look up curry mukbang, that should do it. Or Buldak mukbang. So keep an eye out. Manon's the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment for your noodles, with your noodles. Enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.